Here we have a pan from Tefal, which is extra resistant, and resistance is very important when it comes to the pans, because you're going to put them on the fire, and then they should resist the heat, because if they don't, then the material of the pan, it starts mixing up there with your food, which is not good for the food. So here it is. The color is dark ruby, and it has high density technology, induction technology, and this can be used on the gas stove or on induction. Okay, so you can see this induction part here. Let me take out this wrap and then show it to you. Okay, so now you can have a clear look at this. Here it is. The color is also very nice, impressive, and here is the back. Okay, so we decided to check the weight of the pan because it seems to be very heavy. You have to put extra effort when you're picking it up and all. So this is around 1 kg, 1.5 kg, right? You can say. So yeah, it is kind of heavy. And there are some instructions that you have to keep in mind while using it. So here are the instructions. So first use, you have to be very careful, just rinse it, and then later you have to be careful. Here it is. So you have to be careful with the sharp edged spoons or spatulas, because the coating, you can damage it. And to clean, you have to put the pan in running water, use a sponge and washing liquid, and even the sponge, it should be like really a soft sponge. So here it is, a really nice product, and we have been using Tefal for a long time, so we're excited to use this new one with a better coating, more heat resistant, and this is more heat resistant, and it can be used on induction as well. The size is 30 centimeter, which is quite big. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching.